Hi everyone, and welcome to the Montvale Digital Learning Library. Today we're going to learn how to complete our PDP. We're using a digital form this year, and there are a few simple steps to make sure we complete it. To access the form, either check your email. There was an email that was sent by me, or Joanne Kolb might have sent the email as well, depending on what year you're watching this video. Also, the link, the URL to the link is also in the description of this video on YouTube, so you can access the link directly there as well. So what we're going to do is go into the form, and the form looks like this. Now, hopefully by now, you would have already developed what your goal or goals are. I recommend that before completing the form, because once you begin working on this form, you have to complete it in one sitting. Otherwise, you'll lose the information that you enter. So you have to make sure that you click submit on this form before you walk away from it. Otherwise, you'll have to complete it again. So I'll walk you through and show you what the form looks like. I'll enter in a sample goal or two, and I'll show you what the end result is. So first question says, please enter your full name. So I will do that. I'll say Eric Parks, and select my building. For the purpose of this video, I'll select Memorial. And then there's a next button here. I'll click next. And it brings me to a page designed for goal number 1. It says, please enter your first professional development goal for this school year. So I'm going to say my goal is, my goal for this year is to create and develop a Twitter account which will be used to communicate and collaborate with educational professionals from around the world. It is my hope to engage in an exchange and sharing of new ideas. All right, please list the activities you will explore this year to help accomplish this goal. I will attend a district PD workshop, research independently online, and engage in conversations. If I could type correctly, that would help. Engage in conversations with grade level and building colleagues. And for goal 1 again, please list sources of evidence that will demonstrate you've accomplished or made progress toward your goal. So I'll have a few things. I'll have hopefully my Twitter account, which will be available online. I may have a PD certificate or two. I may have an hours log of activities and conversations I've engaged in, etc. Things along those lines. Then it says, do I have another PDP goal? I'm going to say no. I only have one. If you have 2 or 3, it will just bring you to the same exact form, only it'll say goal number 2 on the top or goal number 3, and it'll ask you the same 3 questions. What's your goal? What activities will you explore to accomplish the goal? And list some sources of evidence that will demonstrate you've accomplished the goal. So I'm going to click no here. That's going to end the form for me. So I'll hit next. And finalize and submit. Please type in your full name below, and this will serve as your digital signature. So there we go. I'll type in that. Oops. And we'll pick the date and submit. So that's it. That's all you have to worry about at this point. If you see this screen where it says your response has been recorded, it has gone to the system, it's logged in the database, and you should get an email back to your Montvale account. So I'm going to click into my email account, and it can take a little time sometimes, so it may take a few minutes to refresh, but you will eventually get an email back from me, and it'll say your PDP is ready, and you'll be able to click into that email and actually access your document. And here it is right now. It's from me. On yours, it'll probably say Eric Parks, and it says your PDP is ready. So I'm going to click on that document. And it says, thank you for submitting your PDP. Please review and upload this to Standard 6 in your documentation log. So if I click on it, what it did was it took all of your information that you entered, your name, your school, your year, and it plugged it into the correct place on the PDP template. And it has your digital signature here, and that's it. The only content that's on this document is what you have typed in. So look it over, make sure it's exactly what you want it to say, and then you would just download this. So if I'm in Chrome here, you'll see a little down arrow button that says download. I will click that, and it will download that to my computer. And then there's another video on how to upload your PDP to your doc log contained within this library. Hope you found this video useful, and have a great day.